Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, New Explains. Today question seems tough, but we will solve it and break it down step by step. If you think this will be going giving answer 1, then you are wrong. Okay, you're totally wrong. So we will solve it, break it down, and as we can see here, all the function and operations are division, and we will solve it right from left to right according to BODMAS or PMS. Okay, so first this part we will do operation for this part. 3 divided by 3, that is equal to 1, divided by 3 and again divided by 3. So if you want to write this as 1 divided by 3 divided by 3, then this will become more easy to solve and to understand. So if you write like this, then we will apply A C F rule. A for keep, C for change, and F for flip. And in this case, the first term we will going to keep. So we will keep 1 by 3 as it is. C for change. That means this sign will be changed and divide will be changed to into multiplication. And this 3, if you write 3, we can also write 3 by 1. Okay, so if you flip this, then it will become 1 by 3. And for this, if we multiply numerator part, 1 into 1, that is 1, and 3 into 3, that is 9. So answer will be 1 by 9. So if you do master in maths and solve it very quick and fast, then go and check out our books in the description. And also thanks for watching and subscribe our channel for more videos like this.